Okay. Yeah. Daddy will take a picture of your big boots. Careful. Careful. Wait, don't move it, Ken.
Wait, I'm gonna take off our shoes first.
Zach, smile. Zach. Zach, look at Daddy.
Okay.
Zach.
Umuwi ng bigas. Ang gulo ka tulos. Kawat mo pala.